Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are again going to discuss about how to see watch history on Instagram for a specific time. For example, if you want to see history for a specific time like month, day and time, then how you can get that specific watch history. So if you want to get that specific watch history, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you have to simply open the Instagram app. So in Instagram app, you have to simply click on that profile section, and after that you have to click on three lines here. So in three lines you can find the option of your activity here. So in your activity you will find all of your activity like likes, comments, reposts, tags, and also sticker responses. Moreover, you can also get the recently deleted options. So also you can find the posts you have shared or reels you have shared. Moreover, you can also get time management option. So here is the watch history available. So here you can simply get the watch history for specific dates. For example, if you want to get for a specific date range, you can simply select date range for that time. For example, if you want to get the specific date, and you can simply select start date, and also you can select the end date, and after that you will find all of the history on that date. So here you can simply find apply filter, and after that you will find all of the history on that day. Moreover, you can also select newest to oldest, and all authors you can also filter the authors, which means you can simply select which of the reels you want to see. So in this way you can simply all of your watch history for a specific time. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like this. You can subscribe our channel.